In this video, I'm going to explain you exactly why I'm right now buying this stock, and this is one of the first stocks that I've ever bought in my life, and I'm going to show you exactly in today's video why, and at the end of this video, we are going to have a look at Bitcoin. So guys, let's jump straight into it. And guys, the stock that I'm talking about right here is PayPal. PayPal is a payment provider, of course, founded by Elon Musk. Right now, he's not the owner anymore. He sold that company, I guess, long time ago. But the crazy thing with this company, guys, is the retracement. So we had like a massive rally from 2015. There was massive anticipation in PayPal. And yeah, we can basically see that we had just a massive rally. We went from, since launch right here, is roughly $30 all the way up to $300. So that's almost a 10x, right? And if we were to apply a Fibonacci retracement tool on this, then we can see we had a massive sell-off right here in 2021 when the bear market happened for Bitcoin, but also when the bear market, or the 1-year decline bear market, happened for the regular financial markets. This thing came really down. It came to the 78.60%, and we had a decrease of 83%. Right now we are down roughly 80%. And guys, I think, to be honest, this is looking very beautiful. Why? Because I have multiple reasons. First of all, due to crypto, people really start to think that this payment processor is not really that valid anymore because crypto will take over. But what they do forget is that PayPal also is a very high believer of crypto. If we look at the news page right here, and this is something that we would like to see whenever a stock is very down, right? So PayPal stock plummets 4 days ago. PayPal has lost 80% since 2021, falling knives. Yeah, now we have a little bit of a rally. But generally, the sentiment around this company is quite bearish. But the interesting thing is that we can see that PayPal actually owns $1 billion of crypto. They had to disclose that to the SEC. This is a news article from May 2023, so that's also already some time ago. If we look at May 2023 and we go to Bitcoin, let's go to the weekly time frame and let's put it on automatic right here. Zoom in and we go to May 2023. That is right here. So they owned here, somewhere right here, they owned 1 billion of assets in crypto. Right? If that, let's take the middle of right here, that would be right now also up 44%. But we don't really see that in the stock. Right, the stock is just looking like it's just been coming down, and I don't know, like a lot of altcoins that would look like this also would be actually looking bullish, and PayPal is just a big company, and I think there's a lot of potential for PayPal to bounce from these levels. So this is basically the first stock that I'm buying. I already have an account with my bank account where I'm buying this stock. Also, I want to bring out the technical picture. The technical picture, to me personally, looks very, very beautiful. So, this is on a weekly time frame. So this is kind of on a macro scale. It's not an investment that I make to sell next week. It's also not an investment that I make to hodl on for my dear life. No, this is definitely an investment I make for maybe 2025, 2024. Maybe 2026, maybe double or triple the investment, and be exposed in something else than only crypto, right? This is for me actually the first experience that I'm with my bank account, have a investment account linked to my bank account, and that I can buy like certain stocks. I never bought stocks before. I didn't feel the need, but I think this technical chart just looks very beautiful. So we have the momentum wave right here coming up. So this is just a matter of time until this goes in the green, and I think that can come along with a big bounce. We have massive bullish divergence on the relative strength index. Also have a declining resistance that we already broke out to the upside. We have also bullish divergence on the momentum wave right here, on the wave trend indicator. this is, to me personally, this is looking very bullish, and it looks like this can go on definitely for some time until 2025, 2026, can go up. That makes me also a little bit wonder why this chart is looking so bullish in comparison with the 16-year cycle, because the 16-year cycle would not be too bullish for the regular financial markets. But hey, this one got a big hit. Maybe PayPal, even with strong headwinds in the markets, maybe PayPal will still do good as a digital payment provider. So guys, that is that. If you like that we're talking about something else than Bitcoin, make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe down below, and if you don't agree or if you do agree, let me know in the comment section, guys. Then I want to go with you to Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? And most importantly, of course, we have to look at the Whale Portal charts, because this is the most important chart to make short-term price predictions. And right now, like I also said in my previous videos, guys, it's kind of boring to talk about Bitcoin because there is not a really nice setup. Like we have still red selling pressure going on right here. The price is still coming down. We haven't really seen the volume momentum index really coming up, or maybe coming up positive right here, but then going back negative. That is actually very bearish. Although I do see that we could be positioning here for a bounce, because we do have a very low wave trend right here, which could form a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. That's actually pretty powerful. But I think you should not forget the macro event that we are in right now. And the macro event right now is just that Bitcoin has seen a massive rally. Like I've been saying in my previous videos as well, we have seen a massive rally because of that ETF anticipation right here. After that massive rally, we got high intensity red right here, which is showing us that this is very close to a top, or that the upside is very limited. Then we can see right here that the volume momentum index is turning negative on the daily. We have bearish divergences on the daily. The take by sell ratio is low. So on the daily time frame, guys, to be honest, this is actually looking a little bit terrible. And I'm actually thinking myself to just leave the markets until March, or until February, March, just to see what's happening, because I don't like these type of price action where you have like where the direction for me right now is to the downside, but it will be very choppy, as I still think we are in a bull market. So I think it's more profitable and easy for the mind to wait till things calm a little bit down. Bitcoin is in a sideways range. We get a very clear direction signal, very clear breakout signal, and then play that card. Right? Those are definitely the better plays. And these ranging of Bitcoin, this choppy price action after explosive moves, that is really good to do with trading bots. So you're not the whole time 24/7 in behind the computer or behind your screen, but the trading bots automatically take these levels. I made multiple tutorials on how to set up these trading bots, and I made a lot of profit with it. You can do too. Make sure to watch these videos in my Bybit tutorial on how to create trading bots. But basically with sideways ranging, that's the best you can do, because right here a lot of people still have that mentality, whoa, Bitcoin pumping and Bitcoin is pumping, and they keep on having that mentality while it's actually rolling over, and it can sometimes take months before we have similar price action again, and then you're very used to that chopping price action, so then you don't expect that huge pump again. So it's kind of a little bit of mind fuck, because it is like the emotional state that the markets are going through. And right now for me it's easier to recognize this. And for me, I don't really see, like I said also in yesterday's video, I don't really see like nice risk to reward ratio trades, and therefore I'm just looking to other stuff. And then suddenly I got my attention on PayPal, which is something completely different. But yeah, I definitely think that some stock like this can maybe do like, can double, at least double. We can see the retracement from here as well. Yeah, I think this could at least double, if not, in a best case scenario, triple. And I think that's actually a pretty good setup, because the downside for me personally is pretty limited with such a big company. Of course, there's always downside potential risk, otherwise there's no gain. But nevertheless, the risk to reward profile picture on the chart like this, even though it's the regular financial markets, is for me personally way better than the risk to reward profile on Bitcoin right now, because this chart just tells me to take profits, which I already have done, which I've been very public about right here on the channel, right here at these highs. Not the exact top, I'm not gonna claim that I sold the exact top, but around these highs I've been taking a lot of profits. So for me, it's just right now the waiting game, and I'm just gonna wait till I see a better setup. I'm gonna have patience and gonna work a little bit more on Willport and do some other things, or maybe set up some trading bots again, or some new ones that could be profitable in this range. But yeah, not looking for any high leverage directional trades immediately. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you really enjoyed this knowledge, make sure to share this video with your friends who are interested in trading crypto, who are interested in the regular financial markets. Share this video, it will help grow the channel. We want to get to 20k subscribers as soon as possible. If you want to know how to create these trading bots over on Bybit or over on BitGet, I've made tutorials on that. Very easy tutorials where I talk about risk management, how to use and when to use these bots, exactly how to set them up. Make sure to watch them. And if you want to support the channel and you don't have an account yet over on one of these exchanges, I'm recommending some exchanges down below, including Bybit. If you join with the affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus. Guys, wish you all a beautiful day today. Hope to see every single one of you in the next video.